Hey guys, Tiffany here with Have Fun in Nature, November 12th, 2025. And believe it or not, there is not snow on the ground in northwest Montana. We've had a few. You see the turkeys running in the background. I figure we do a quick walk through the food forest, and I have never shown you guys the greenhouse. Rosemary. Never shown you guys the greenhouse or the old garden area, which is being turned into the berry patch. I think I got all the tags and woods picked up. I'll finish cleaning this out, get it tilled up and ready for 2026. Probably wait to till until 2026. Get everything ready. Might even expand the food forest. Lavender. Wild turkeys. Alright guys, let's go check out the other areas. I'm excited for 2026 and learning tips from everyone. Met so many great people. The greenhouse. Some plants stay in here. Some plants start in here. Love the greenhouse. These are horse troughs. Got the shelves swept. Still need to work on the floor. Gonna be a pomegranate tree. Love, love, love the greenhouse. And this is what we call the old garden. It's going to be the berry patch. Right now we have some mint. Oh wow, don't you look nice? We have some mint down here. My mint on Medicine Hill came back, so I'm hoping the ones in my pots come back. I just moved them in here for now. We have our raspberry, another mint. So northern bed straw had to be moved during construction, so probably try to move that back. Raspberries, and here you'll find all kinds of weeds. We did have a thimbleberry bush. Not looking too good, but maybe it'll come back. Elderberry. We didn't get berries this year. Looks like they were starting, so we'll see about next year. It's our rhubarb area. It always comes back. I think my sister makes rhubarb jam, strawberry jam. Strawberries. They did not do good in 2025. 2024 they did great, so we'll see what 2026 has in store. And more raspberries. These just got planted, so I expect an abundance next year. A little crabapple tree. This is where I'm overwintering onions. The cages to try to prevent the squirrels and birds from messing with them. We had garlic in here last time, but something came in and dug some of that up. Looks like we got some sprouts. Might put another layer. We do get cold in Montana. Onion. Those turkeys you hear in the background. Blueberry bush. And we have another another blueberry bush. And one more. Didn't get any fruit off those this year, so. Of course, I really focused on the food forest and kind of neglected the old area a bit. So, my fault. Mullein. Love mullein. I've got jars of that stuff dried for winter respiratory issues. It's just a pot we can put anything in. It's going to be an apple tree. I bought one of our rosemaries out here. We'll see what happens. More strawberries. I gotta clean some of this out. We got a little chive area. We'll put our bed straw back. To do some work down here. And a beautiful sage. So we started helping my sister on the homestead in 2022. And we have learned before that we might have grown a tomato plant or two while we were raising the kid. But with that area, had to see what we could do. Did so well over those few years, we made the food forest. But now you're looking at Medicine Hill. Mullein, that I did not get to. We had some strawberries in there. Feverfew I didn't harvest, but I hear it's good for migraines. So I'll have to look more into that. See if it's something we want to do again. Ginger mint. That came back from the year before. Our peppermint came back from the year before. We have lemon balm. Love lemon balm. It's the best thing for anxiety and stress. It came back last year, so I'm hoping it comes back again. Hope you enjoyed the tour of our garden areas. We can't wait for 2026. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, more later.